Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve another exponential equation. Here, if the x square plus 1 by x square is equal to root 2, then we have to find the value of x to the power 1024 minus 1 by x to the power 1024. So let's start the solution. So for this we first write the above equation again and trying to square of both sides. Hence we get x square plus 1 by x square to the power whole square is equal to root over 2 square. Now we know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now if we expand this like x square to the power square plus 2x square into 1 by x square plus 1 by x square to the power square equals to 2. Now this x square and x square cancel out and the equation will be x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 equals to 2. Now if we move that 2 to the right hand side, the equation will becomes like this: 2 minus 2 equals to 0. That is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equals to 0. Now if we move that 1 by x to the power 4 to the right hand side, then the equation becomes like this. Now we are going to multiply both sides by x to the power 4, like x to the power 4 into x to the power 4 equals to minus 1 by x to the power 4 into 1 by x to the power 4. Then it will be cancelled out like this and the value will be minus 1. Hence that power will be added like this and we get the value of x to the power 8 is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find out the value of x to the power 1024 minus 1 by x to the power 1024. Previously, if we expand that 1024, we get this can be expressed as 8 into 1 to 8. So now we can write this like x to the power 8 dot 128 minus 1 by x to the power 8 dot 128. Now we can write the expression as x to the power 8 to the power 128 minus 1 by x to the power 8 to the power 128. As we know the formula, like a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n. Now we have the value of x to the power 8 as -1. If we put that -1 to the power 128 here and here, then we get the value equal to 1. As this is an even number, so that minus will be gone and it will be just like 1. Minus 1 to the power, this will be 1. So that 1 and that will be 1, so all value will be 0. So the expression of x square x to the power 1024 minus 1 by x to the power 1024 is equal to 0. So we got the solution or value of x to the power 1024 minus 1 by x to the power 1024 equal to 0. So if we try to find out another solution of it, we can do it in another process. So that will be do in the next video. So I hope you understood this method or solution. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day and take care.